So what we have here is the EMCO FB2 mill, and these have a very common and well-known problem for those that know. For those that don't know, that's gear number 47. It's a 45 tooth. Initially when the manufacturers did it, they made them out of tough null because they are a sacrificial gear. The problem is you can't really get these anymore. There are some up for sale on eBay at a ridiculous amount of money, and there is a seller doing 3D printing. Now I did manage to find an STL file on the internet, but be careful with what you download because that is actually incorrect. That should be a 4mm recess into there, and somebody's gone about 5.6 mils, so that would actually put your gear out. But what I have done, I've completely drawn up a whole complete gear rather than the two-piece thing that's in there. So let's swap it out and let's see if it fits.
5 minutes later.
That's my 3D printed gear on. Bit of a snug fit, I'll give it that, but I'll get the top back on, we'll get the motor on, fire it up and see what happens, but it looks to be okay. Can't see any obvious run out on it. Let's see if it works.
Moments later.
Right, that's the motor back on. Should we give it a whirl, see what happens? Start slowest speed possible. No grunting or grinding, seems quite quiet. Should we go up a gear or several? Make sure we are in. Let's give that a go. Seems to be going okay. It actually seems pretty quiet. Give it that. Right, the debacle continues. I think what I'm going to do is contact a couple of companies and see if I can get my new complete whole gear rather than a two-piece one. CNC made, possibly in nylon or some sort of ABS plastic. I'll get some quotes in and put some prices up if I get any. So there we are then. Hopefully it's a quick fix and a bit of an easier change when it does break. Thanks for watching.